Failing to master centralized log monitoring means you're always the last one to know when servers go down, and even when you do find out, you're left scrambling to sift through scattered logs across multiple servers to identify the root cause. This is a common problem in many production environments where logs are generated by multiple servers, making it difficult for Linux administrators to monitor and analyze them effectively. What it does. The ELK Stack, which consists of Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, is a popular solution for centralized log monitoring. Elasticsearch is a search and analytics engine that stores and indexes log data. Logstash is a data processing pipeline that collects and parses logs, and Kibana is a visualization tool that provides a user-friendly interface for exploring and analyzing log data. Command, example. Breaking it down, each component of the ELK stack plays a crucial role in centralized log monitoring. Elasticsearch provides a scalable and efficient way to store and index log data, allowing for fast search and analysis. Logstash collects logs from various sources, parses them into a structured format, and forwards them to Elasticsearch for indexing. Kibana provides a user-friendly interface for exploring and visualizing log data, making it easier to identify trends and patterns. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not configuring Logstash to handle log rotation properly, which can result in lost logs. Another mistake is not setting up proper indexing and mapping in Elasticsearch, which can lead to poor search performance and data inconsistencies. Additionally, not configuring Kibana to use the correct index pattern can result in incorrect or incomplete data visualization. Try this next. To practice setting up centralized log monitoring using the ELK stack, try collecting logs from multiple Linux servers and visualizing them in Kibana. You can use the file input plugin in Logstash to collect logs from different servers and configure the Elasticsearch output plugin to forward them to a centralized Elasticsearch instance. Pro tip: in a production environment, it's essential to configure Logstash to handle log rotation properly by using the since_b option to keep track of the last read position in each log file. Additionally, use a load balancer to distribute incoming log traffic across multiple Logstash instances, and configure Elasticsearch to use a cluster of nodes for high availability and scalability. This will ensure that your centralized log monitoring system can handle large volumes of log data and provide reliable and accurate insights into your production environment.